VEVOR just sent us this 48-gallon fuel transfer tank, and the nice thing about this thing is it's for diesel or gasoline, which is pretty rare. We're going to use it for diesel around here on the farm, and let me just show you guys what the features are and see if it's a good fit for your application. This would be great for heavy machine operators if you got to transport a lot of fuel out in the field and you don't want to use jerry cans and so forth. So you can lift this thing with forks, so you can get it up in and out of your truck, or just fill it on site and then use it for your equipment where you need it. So the nice thing about this is it has a nice fuel nozzle. It actually has the safety feature there, so when you're full it's going to automatically shut it off on you, so you can start pumping your fuel and walk away. This unit does hold 48 gallons, so that's a lot of fuel to be using. Our tractor only uses 9 gallons topped off, so we'll get a lot of use out of this. This does have a flow rate of 10.6 gallons per minute, so that's a lot of flow. You're going to fill up your equipment really quickly. Other nice thing is this is a very heavy duty hose, and it's going to be able to reach up to 13.1 feet. So that's going to give you a lot of reach up into your equipment. From here, we can definitely reach into the tractor. Comes with these alligator clips. So either you can connect this to the equipment that you're using in the field, right to the battery. It also has this grounding clamp here. So especially if you're using gasoline, this is going to be important so you don't have any sparks. For us, all it is just a matter of hooking it up here to a battery, positive, negative, and you have an inline switch here to turn the pump on. So it is a 12-volt pump, so it's going to, like I said, run off of any of the equipment you're using, or just have a battery around like we have here in our fueling station. It also has a nice inline fuse here, so in case anything happens, it's going to shut that power off for you. All right, and lastly, they thought of everything. Fuel thieves. They give you a little lock, and you can actually lock the top here, so nobody can get access to your fuel, which is really nice, or put contaminated stuff in it. This thing is going to serve fantastically around here on the farm. Again, if you're using it for heavy machinery out on a work site, I definitely recommend one of these.